Locked out of your Facebook account and feeling like you've hit a dead end? Well, today I'm going to show you the fastest, most effective ways to get it back, even if you've lost your email and phone number. And trust me, you'll want to stick around until the very end because the last method is the ultimate game changer. Before we dive in, check the link in the video description to use the best Facebook account recovery tool available right now. And here's the deal. The first 5 people to comment on this video will get a free recovery service from our professional white hat hacker team. So don't wait. First, try Facebook's built-in recovery page. Go to facebook.com/login, identify, enter any email, username, or phone number you remember, and follow the prompts. This works if you still have partial access to your old contact info. If you set up trusted contacts before you lost your account, you can request recovery codes from your friends. On the login help page, choose no longer have access and follow the steps to use your trusted contacts. It's like having your own rescue squad. Another option is uploading your government ID directly to Facebook. This helps prove your identity to their support team, but the process can take days, and there's no guarantee. Now, if none of these work, here's the ultimate method using professional white hat hackers. These are cybersecurity experts who legally and ethically help recover accounts by bypassing the normal delays and using advanced verification techniques. Our team has helped countless people regain access to accounts they thought were gone forever. If you need that kind of fast, expert recovery, send us a message using the link in the description. And remember, the first 5 people to comment on this video get this service completely free. So there you have it. 4 proven ways to recover your Facebook account, from basic recovery steps to expert intervention. Don't forget to check the description, drop your comment, and take back control of your account today.